Welcome everyone. You might notice recently when you opened up WhatsApp or Instagram that they aren't working, right? They're just going to be stuck on loading and you can't actually properly view the content. And that's because WhatsApp and Instagram is down. And I'm going to show you how to know first when I just said Tutorbox, when WhatsApp and Instagram are properly working, and that means you'll be able to use the applications properly. So I'm going to put the link in the description down below. And it's going to bring you to the Down Detector website. And essentially what this is a community-run thing which basically says reports of when WhatsApp's down. And you notice that there's a small spike of about only 71,000, where you can see 71,000 reports of WhatsApp being down. And that means WhatsApp is down, right? But here's the deal, right? When WhatsApp's back up, this page isn't going to show 71,000 reports. You're going to see the reports going down, right? And so what this means is WhatsApp will be back up. And so all you need to do is just refresh this page every 5 minutes, maybe every 10 minutes. And this is going to let you guys know when WhatsApp's back up. Now for Instagram and WhatsApp are on the same servers. So when WhatsApp's down, Instagram's down, you just saw that. I'm surprised Facebook's still up. I don't know what happened there, but you get the point I'm trying to say. And so what this means is when WhatsApp's back up, Instagram will be back up. So I'll leave this Down Detector page in the description down below. And once WhatsApp's back up, you'll be able to see it first right here, and you'll be able to go back into your WhatsApp. So short video, I could make it 10 minutes explaining how the servers displace the equilibrium, and that causes a refraction in the apocalyptic device, and therefore that causes a wind turbo velocity to erupt the mantle, or you could just end the video now. I'm just going to do that, the second option. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.